Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Well, we begin with news that Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett is lamenting that the tourism industry is being threatened by cybercrimes and other related disruptions. He was speaking ahead of the Tourism Resilience Summit of the Americas, which will be held tomorrow at the UWI regional headquarters. TVJ's Andrew Laidley has the details.
Tourism is one of Jamaica's major economic drivers, but the industry has come under increasing threat from cyber attacks. Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett is now putting the spotlight on the issue with hopes of finding a speedy solution.
Then we have the issue through that now of cybercrimes and identity theft, which has been a big issue for us in tourism. And now we're seeing that banks are being hacked. And we had our own example here in Jamaica only a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, right, where a number of our own ATM machines have been hacked. And there are issues in relating to our banking system.
Mr. Bartlett says tourism is also changing with the times as business models adapt to innovations around them.
Then you have to deal with the whole issues now of business models that change, disruptions as a result of not just technology, but in terms of innovation. And how do you respond to all of these? So these elements together, we are calling disruptions. And they are global disruptions. So we have to build resilience, we have to build capacity to respond to these global disruptions.
The tourism minister says his plan is to identify the disruptions before they reach a crisis level. But he notes that accomplishing this task won't be easy.
But beyond that, we must be able to manage them, to even track them, to be able to determine where they are, when they are about to, and what are the signs and symptoms. There are some areas that we don't have that capability, and the world doesn't have it yet.
For the Business Day, I'm Andrew Laidley.
Gas prices are going down tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for 72 cents less. Automotive diesel will go for 35 cents less, while ultra-low sulfur diesel is down 30 cents. Kerosene will sell for 28 cents less. Propane is up 35 cents, but butane will shave off 62 cents. Retailers will, of course, add their respective markups to these prices. In currency trading, the US dollar ended the day selling for $137.04. The Canadian dollar closed at $105.74, while the pound sterling is going for $179.49. The euro ended the day selling for $158.44 on average. Oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in October went up by 49 cents to settle at $70.37 a barrel. The JSE index gained 1,676 points today, while the junior index lost 12 points. Among the winners were Access Financial Services, Berita Investments, CAC 2000, Elite Diagnostic, Honeybun, Indies Pharma, Jamaica Broilers, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, and NCB Financial Group. On the losing side were Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Derrimont Trading, Fosrich, General Accident Insurance, JMMB Group, Kingston Wharves, Lasco Distributors, and Main Event Entertainment Group. And that's your Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.